My video guide is about removing the new ransomware type threat, which is called Keygroup. So Keygroup is a special ransomware that encrypts the data that people store on their hard drives. The ransomware encrypts files and then adds a special extension to them. So the video will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware really is. Well, you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open any files without complications. Pictures, music, all other data, no problem at all. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware almost immediately damages these files. Within the blink of an eye, the files get damaged and encrypted, and you cannot open them. When you open the specific file, you get this message that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Keygroup extension. So the ransomware is called Keygroup because it adds this Keygroup extension. The ransomware also places this ransom note mentioning that the files are encrypted and that people need to pay the ransom to restore them. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery. What we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner. You may get the fresh version of it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button to begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The trial mode has got this quick scan option. Other modes are the part of the premium license, by the way. So the scanning will begin and it will take some time. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license, of course. So you need to wait until the scanning is finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the system. We strongly advise that you consider upgrading to premium. This is the best solution to remove this ransomware and to keep your data protected in the future.